In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on your Godaddy domain. So the first thing we want to do is we want to go into Godaddy and make sure we are signed in. And before I teach you how to do this, make sure you watch the end of the video because everything I teach you here is very crucial. And if you do not watch it, you might miss a step and blah, 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 you know. So what you want to do is once you've gone onto your dashboard, you want to go pick your domain and make sure you've got it so you've signed into your domain. So you've got your domain here basically like this. What we can then do is come down to here where it says website, and then there's a few options here, but this is the one we want to go for, managed WordPress. So once we clicked on that, we can go here and we can take a look at the different plans available if we would like to. So it starts at $3.99 a month, it goes to $5.99, $11.99 and $21.99 per month. Most people only need this plan down here. You may need this one, and in rare cases you may need these ones. Now something I'd also like to note is that when you buy one of these, you do automatically get a free domain with it, so that's something that you should definitely take advantage of if you can. So I want to click get started here and select the plan I want to do. So I'm going to do the $3.99 a month one, and the thing is with this, if you charge it at the monthly price, then it's going to be a lot more. So this is $11.99 per month if I do monthly, or if I go for a year, then it's only $3.99. So yeah, you have to decide with that. Next, you want to click continue, and you can put your free domain in there if you would like to, or you can just pass on it. I'd recommend doing that, and then you come over to here and you can pay with either PayPal or whatever soft payment method you want to do to pay for it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then be sure to like and subscribe, and also comment down below this helped. Thank you for watching.